Krakow, one of the oldest cities in Poland with historic old town, castle, river walks, and dark memories of World War II. Krakow is well connected by train, road, and air. We arrived in Krakow by air, landing at the Krakow Airport. Despite its small size, the airport is beautifully and conveniently connected to the city center by regular trains, which take only 20 minutes. The primary attraction in Krakow is the well-preserved old town. At its entrance stands the Barbican, which was once a defensive gateway and is now a museum. St. Florian's Gate, a 14th century gate tower, is part of the old city walls. Next to the gate, people sell beautiful paintings and artwork. The market square is the happening place in the old town. In the evenings, it's filled with people, creating a lively atmosphere. There are also many good restaurants in the area. When it comes to food, we loved the Polish dumplings and ice cream. The old town is home to many historical buildings, including St. Mary's Basilica, the Market Arcade, the Church of St. Wojciech, the Town Hall Tower, St. Peter's and Paul Church, St. Andrew's Church, and the Holy Trinity Church. We witnessed demonstrations against the war in Ukraine as well.
Слава Україні! Воїнам ЗСУ тричі! Слава! Слава! Слава!
Wawel Castle stands as a prominent landmark in Krakow. It served as the residence of Polish kings for centuries. Today, it houses a museum, offering glimpses into its rich history. Perched atop a small hill besides the Vistula River, the castle commands a scenic view of its surroundings. The best views can be seen from the top of the tower. Closest to Wawel Castle is the Vistula River. Walking along its banks offers a wonderful experience. KaziMierz was Krakow's historic Jewish quarter until 1941, when Nazis forced Jews into the ghetto. At Remus Synagogue, you can feel this Jewish legacy. The Jewish Ghetto Memorial is dedicated to the thousands of Jews who were forcefully moved from their homes in Krakow to the ghetto. Most people were killed either in the ghetto or in concentration camps. If you want to learn more about concentration camps, check out my video about my trip to Auschwitz, the largest and deadliest Nazi concentration camp. Finally, Oskar Schindler's Enamel factory, where Schindler saved nearly 1,200 Jews during the Holocaust. It has been converted into a museum showcasing the German occupation of Krakow. So, this was our trip to Krakow. Hope you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you later.